is very busy today. She told me, teacher, I'm very busy today. Okay. I don't know
Okay.
why. Maybe because he will be traveling together with his brother, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
She'll be traveling with her brother at
What you mean?
2020 in this month
Yeah, with his travel. With his
because
brother.
his brother because her brother had to study in another city and she want to travel to that city.
Okay. I will share to you, ha? Okay, let us talk on about your future plan.
Okay. Teacher, we are done this.
We are done with future plan. So 11,
Yes.
clothing. Are we done with clothing? Yeah,
Yes.
I will share to you, ha? Maybe this one. Clothing. Okay. Job. Are we done with job?
Yes.
Okay. And how about hobbies?
Hobbies.
Not yet.
Let me see.
Okay.
Hobby,
Okay, wait me. I guess not yet.
I think we not have to talking.
About hobbies, right?
Yes, we didn't have to talking about hobby.
Hobbies, yeah. Okay, what is your hobby ni? Tono?
My hobby is draw and play sport.
Wow, do you like to draw? Really?
Yes,
What
I
is
have.
your what do you use when you try to draw?
I try to draw
Your
some.
drawing materials, your drawing materials. What drawing materials do you have? Wait me ha, I will. What drawing materials do you have?
I think I
Like,
think I drawing person had a little hard because I had to practice.
okay.
In drawing, I don't
Mm.
have a little. I have a little because I don't like draw anything. I like draw person, and I had to practice the hair and the clothes.
So the hair. Okay, do you try to picture out the face? You know already how to picture out the face? Like face is very hard. For me, I don't like okay, Jillian is very good in forming out face, the face of the person. But I really don't know how.
Oh, I have some picture I draw, but I don't know where at the picture in on my study table because I have many notable and books, and I don't remember where's my draw books.
Okay niya, draw book. Okay. Drawing book, you're drawing book, right?
Yes,
Okay. So, did you use pencil or what? Or drawing materials like painting? Okay, like that.
I think I will buy a drawing book and notebook.
Mm. Okay, so let us have here different hobbies. Okay, please choose the hobby that you want and tell me why. Why do you choose that one? Give me three.
Free. Okay.
You pick me, ha, and tell me later.
Okay.
Haha, little.
Yes. Okay. Okay, teacher.
Okay, so you have video games, cooking, and art. Okay, so you like video games a little,
Yes.
only a little. Okay, so you like video games a little, teacher Anne. Okay, a little video games
And the mall is art because I like to
because you
draw
like to draw. Okay, I understand that one. You
and
like to draw.
cooking.
How about cooking? How about cooking?
I like to make some different food and I think I can do it and and I can train some Lego.
Okay. So you like cooking. Generally, you like cooking. Okay. What is the easiest food that you can cook? Easiest food that you can cook.
Mm, I think is rice is I usually cook rice and rice, kimchi, and so many, but I don't know this name in English.
Okay. So, like noodles. Do you know how to cook noodles with the egg? In my country, one
Yes.
of the easiest menu is that noodles and you put egg. How about you? Do you
I like
eat
to cook.
noodles with egg?
Yes, and I like to cook spicy noodles.
Spicy noodles.
Yes,
You like spicy noodles. Oh, really? Okay, so this
I
one.
very
Okay. So this one. We have here some vocabulary. Go swimming. Okay. Do you go swimming?
Yes, I go swimming, but in Vietnam has some is cool and some wind, but sometimes it's hot and I don't like swimming very much.
Okay. Go partying.
Yes, I like it, but it's not my hobby because it's very hot in the house. But I can make some friends or cozy.
Okay. Play sport. What is your one most favorite sports?
My favorite sport is badminton.
Okay. Hang out with friends. Do you hang out with friends?
Different. I think football, but sometimes rarely I play football with a friend.
Okay. So watch TV.
Watch TV. I often watch TV in my free time, and I usually draw. Oh, it's my hobby.
Okay. Next is go shopping. This is
Yes,
Atiche and
yeah, it's my hobby. I like to go shopping to buy anything to buy something or thing. Draw
okay. Go to gym.
go to stream. I never have been go to stream. I don't know the stream like it, but I watch TV. I can see the stream.
Okay. Okay, this one. Listen to music.
Yes. Before I had class with you, I studied some about draw and or listening to music or listen
Okay.
to
Gardening.
gardening. Yes. It's my dream. In I was small. I was very young.
Okay.
Mm.
Sorry. Surf the net.
Yes, I like I shorten it, but sometimes
Okay. And take photographs. Oh no.
yes, mm, I I like it's not my hobby, but I don't like take photograph very much. But when I go travel, I have to take photograph. Have to remember when I go somewhere.
Okay. Okay. Sing. Do you know how to sing?
I don't like sing because my voice is bad and I don't like sing very much.
Okay, dance. Do you know how to dance?
Yes, I like to dance, but I think uh dance is very tired and I like to play sport.
Okay, so we have here now. Okay, what are your hobbies?
My hobby are drawing and play sport.
Okay, my hobbies are Arha. My hobbies are drawing and playing sports. Again, what are your hobbies, Tono?
My hobby are draw.
Hobbies. My hobbies are
My hobbies are drawing and playing sport.
okay. What is your favorite? Okay, what is your favorite? This is N is noun. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, light blue.
Okay, what do you like doing?
I like I like draw and play video game.
Okay, what do you like doing in the weekend?
I do. I go to my hometown or go travel somewhere.
Okay, so what do you get up in your free time? Okay, example, you have free time, it's holiday. What do you get up? What do you use or what did you do?
I go swimming or um, mm, go to my garden to draw.
Okay, now, what sort of hobbies or what do you do for fun? What makes you fun?
Mm, I play with my friend.
Okay. And what are you interested in? Example, aside from drawing, huh? Aside from art, you told me, teacher, I love art, I love to draw. What else, the things that you are interested in? Okay, the one that you are interested in. What sort
I
of it?
I interesting
I
English.
am, okay, wait. I am interested in, okay, go.
I am interested in listening to music.
Okay. So, what are you into?
I am into drawing.
Okay, very good. Okay, so wait here. Okay, so benefits of having hobbies. Okay, it's very good if you have hobbies. Okay, it will help you relax, right? You can draw, you can relax. It is good for your physically. Okay, it'll help your mental health. You will gonna think. It improve creativity. You will be creative. It grow your spirit, Tono. It will grow your spirit. It reduce stress. Or you will not be stressed because you enjoy with your hobby. It strengthen the relationship. Okay, that's it. Okay. So example, Tono and me is not in good terms. Okay, so you have a problem. So what you will gonna do? Okay, it will improve. It will strengthen your relationship because you have hobbies, both of you is playing badminton, What you will do? You will strengthen the relationship and you will become friends again. That's very nice. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so we have here getting ready. Okay, please check your answers is one. Okay. So, gardening when you were a young child, when you were adult. Okay. Who would most enjoy these hobbies? How about gardening? The young child, the teenager, adult, or retired person? Okay, put check here.
Okay.
Chị mát đâu chị bớt.
Isang pantropiko.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so gardening. Okay. What if about gardening? Okay. Gardening, it's for retired person. Okay. The person who doesn't have work, like old person. Cooking, oh, adult. Playing in a band, oh, very good. Teenagers love to play in the band. Okay, well, I will just adjust the air conditioner.
Okay.
Very cold. Okay, I need to wear my jacket. Your aunt feels cold. so good. And
Có một ngày cuộc sống của họ thay đổi hoàn toàn.
And of course, hiking. Hiking, it could be hiking for retired person or for adults. Collecting comic books or young child and also teenager. Video games, this one. Games is for teenager. Surfing the internet, it's teenager.
Tội nghiệp chàng trai đáng thương. Có chuyện gì vậy? Không, có virus hả? Máy
Oh,
tính
what is that, Tono? Okay, so we have there one.
này nữa.
Okay, what is your favorite hobby?
Hobby, fishing, because it's outdoors involved, so it's great.
Listen to music, going to the gym, seeing friends.
I paint and I like crafting sort of things, you know. I'm very handy with my hands, so I do craft and stuff.
My favorite hobby is to discover the new food because especially the desserts as I love the food and I can enjoy the leisure time with my friend.
Reading because it gives me a chance to get into a different world, see, sort of have experience a world that's outside of what I'm living in.
Okay, my favorite hobby is go traveling because travel around the world can make me know more about the world, and I like to communicate with different people.
I like music, and because for me music is a soul. It's basically just expressing yourself. Yeah, a bit of acting as well.
My favorite hobby is playing tennis. I like playing very much because my whole family plays it since I was small.
My favourite hobby, gardening, because it's really relaxing.
Xin chào. Gì nữa?
Okay, so again.
Hobby, fishing, because it's outdoors involved, so it's great.
Listen to music, going to the gym, seeing friends.
I paint and I like crafting sort of things, you know. I'm very handy with my hands, so I do craft and stuff.
My favorite hobby is to discover the new food because especially the desserts as I love the food and I can enjoy the leisure time with my friend.
Reading because it gives me a chance to get into a different world, see, sort of have experience a world that's outside of what I'm living in.
Okay, my favorite hobby is go traveling because travel around the world can make me know more about the world, and I love to communicate with different people.
I like music, and because for me music is a soul. It's basically just expressing yourself. Yeah, a bit of acting as well.
My favorite hobby is playing tennis. I like playing very much because my whole family plays it since I was small.
My favourite hobby, gardening, because it's really relaxing.
Đó. Để tí.
Okay, so they're talking about hobby. Okay, so we have here. So this one, the hobby is fishing. Okay, as you can see this one. Okay, and then, okay, please read Tono, ha? Okay, and after that, because you have to answer, just read silently.
Okay. Mọi thứ đáng ra đã ổn nếu như bạn ấy không chấp nhận trò chơi đó. Xin lỗi vì đã để bạn đợi lâu. Không sao, mình vừa mới hoàn thành nè. Mình vui quá đi. Khoan, mình mua mũ của bạn nha. Được chứ, của bạn đây. Cảm ơn. Giống như trong truyện của Thích vậy.
You tell me if you're done reading.
Thiếu thứ gì đó. Một trợ lý riêng chăng? Ồ, xin chào. Mình sẽ giúp bạn trong mọi thứ. Ý hay đấy. Ôi, nơi này thật kinh khủng. Ray. Cảnh báo. Được rồi, chào nha. Carlos, Edward, Bob, Sylvia và Hector đều ở cùng một chỗ. Thật tuyệt vì có biệt đội dáng riêng. Có người quan trọng sắp đến đấy. Chuẩn bị đi. Mình hiểu rồi. Xin lỗi, anh sẽ giấu các em đi thôi. Bạn có thể giúp tụi mình được không? Mình đã từng vào đây rất nhiều lần và chỉ để ngắm đồ mà thôi. Cho mình biết, như đây tiền thì mua được gì nào? Ồ, để xem đã. Hay là mình mua tất cả luôn? Mình cũng định nói vậy đấy. Vui quá đi. Đây là bộ sưu tập các mẫu mới nhất và tuyệt vời nhất. Cũng được, nhưng bạn đã có thể làm tốt hơn và thiết bị không tốt lắm. Nhưng mà cứ lấy tiền qua đi nè.
Okay,
Thì vậy
teacher.
sao? Cảm ơn nha.
Okay, next one.
Chờ ai giàu hơn nào.
Okay.
Hóa ra bạn ấy thật xấu tính. Chào, mình muốn hỏi mình có thể đổi đĩa CD này lấy cái gì vậy? Mario Trung, bạn thua hả? Nó hiếm lắm đấy. Đây nè, mình không cần cái này. Nếu bạn muốn gì, bạn sẽ phải làm việc để có được nó. Hết sắp rồi. Đây, đừng có lười, quét kỹ vào. Xin chào, bạn cần máy tính hả? Đúng vậy. Vậy thì lấy đi. Thật hả? Hay thật. Này,
Okay,
bạn xin
teacher.
Okay, now, which activity does each person enjoy doing now? Listen and circle the correct answer.
1. Zachary.
I used to play the piano a lot when I was younger, but I don't play much anymore. Now I enjoy playing in a band. We call ourselves the Bandits. We've been practicing for a few months in my garage, and pretty soon we're going to start playing at parties. Maybe we'll become famous. We all have a great time. I like doing things with other people. That's what I like best about it.
2. Erica.
I've always collected things, even when I was young. I used to collect everything. Comic books, baseball cards, you name it. But they're all packed away in boxes now. Now my favorite pastime is gardening. I spend all weekend outside with my flowers. I love seeing them change. That's what I like best about it, I guess. They're these little seeds at first, and then one day they're big, beautiful flowers.
3. Bradley.
When I was a teenager, all I did was sit around playing video games. But I can't stand them anymore. I work in an office now, so I sit in front of a boring computer screen all day. Now I like being outdoors. I belong to a hiking group, and we go someplace different every weekend. I keep fit and healthy this way. The best thing is that I can make some really great friends.
4. Evan.
I like collecting things. I collected baseball cards when I was a kid, but I don't anymore. These days, baseball card collectors are only interested in the money. I wanted to collect things that are really beautiful, so that's why I started collecting stamps. Some of the stamps I have are really, really beautiful. I think they're like paintings. What I like best is looking at my collection. It's like walking through a tiny museum full of wonderful paintings.
5. Danielle.
I always loved reading as a kid, so for a long time I wanted to write children's books. I tried to do it for a few years after college, but it was really hard to come up with good stories. I guess I'm not very good with words. Now I'm happy just painting. I've won a few prizes, too, in art competitions for my watercolors and oils. The pictures are important to me, though, not the prizes. What I enjoy most is creating pictures. It makes me so happy.
6. Marcus.
Well, I'm retired now, and I have a lot of free time. I worked for the same company for over 30 years, mostly in the same little office. I worked long hours, and when I came home from work, I was too tired to do anything but read the newspaper. Now it's different. I spend almost all my free time outdoors playing golf. I guess what I love best is looking at the beautiful blue sky.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So number 1, okay. Zachary is very good playing the band. Okay. Erica, it's gardening. Okay, 3. Hiking. Okay, Evan, it's collecting stamps. 5, Daniel, it's painting. Okay, Marcus, playing golf. Okay, what are your hobbies? Okay, what are your hobbies from this one now? From this one. Okay, choose two. Two only.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, reading and scuba diving. Okay, why do you like scuba diving? This is very dangerous. Do you like it?
Yes, I like to watch the fish or animal under the sea. In the sea.
Okay. So, what do you like to do when you were young? Oh, look at this, very young. So, when you were young, what did you like to do?
I like my grandpa took me to a green field to um play and fly a kite.
Okay, you fly a kite. Okay. Is there any special hobby that you have?
I think it's yes. I think it's no because uh drawing many people in Vietnam. Drawing of is many in Teen Trencher. And I think it's not too much special, but I love it because I like to drawing in beautiful like everyone.
Okay. Okay. Are you collecting anything? Like stamps, like books, or what?
I don't like collecting because I collecting in someone and think we need to collecting with some special and and many. But I think I can collecting some cards.
Okay. How often do you go to the gym? Do you go to gym?
I think it's never.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me the benefits of gardening?
I like benefit. Let me see. I think we can relaxing over with relaxing and watch us the beautiful plants and take care of them or the plants more.
Okay.
And I think gardening made the garden beautiful.
Okay, so that it will makes the garden beautiful. Of course. Okay, so here, can you tell about something you really care about? Okay, look at the pictures. Okay, something that you really care about.
I really care about drawing and music because drawing is very beautiful and we can center everything and make me creative, and the music made me relaxing when we spread and or how we can fun.
Okay, yes, correct. Okay, so drawing. Okay, this one painting. You love that. It's very nice, right? Painting is very nice. Okay. Okay, you're done talking about your hobby, right? You've been telling me your hobby is painting a lot and you love sports like badminton. Okay, so our next topic, Tono, on tomorrow, we have class tomorrow, right?
Yeah, tomorrow we have 5 p.m.
Okay, 5 p.m. Teacher and we're gonna talk another topic. Okay, I want you, Tono, to talk more. Very good because you love to share. That's teacher and is actually very happy when you share something like teacher, I want to share this. I love my hobby. Okay. So tomorrow we will not talk about developing, but we're going to talk about your country and my country. You tell me, okay? Okay? Free talking. Okay, tomorrow you have to share to me what Vietnam looks like. And I will tell what Philippines looks like. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Tona, for today. God bless. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, I will eat dinner.
Okay.
Okay. Did you eat dinner?
Yes, I have.
You done?
Yes, I have done dinner in afternoon.
Oh, you haven't eat dinner. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
me too. Okay, bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay.